Got an SS Camaro in. Put some lowering springs on this thing. Put the stock muffler back on and took off those Rev 9 exhaust. There's the stock springs. If you're watching this video, it's because you need to replace your seat switch right here, because this ain't reclining or it ain't going back and forth. So I'm going to show you guys quickly how to pop this off, how to get the switch out, put the new one in, put it all back together, and get your seat operational again. Appreciate you guys watching. Let's get it. So first you want to bring the seat slightly forward, and then you want to raise it up. Now if your switch doesn't work, where you can't raise it all the way up, makes it a little harder. But the higher the seat is, the easier it is to access the bolts that hold everything together. So got the seat going up on a Tuesday. It's actually a Thursday, but all right. We're all the way up and operational. So let's grab our flashlight and I'll show you what we need to take apart real quick. So right on the back of the seat, there's a Torx. Looks like a Torx 27. I'll double check, but we got to get that out. And then there's a Phillips in the front of the seat. I'll show you guys. It's actually a Torx 15. All right, so that released this part. Let's go ahead and get the Phillips head from underneath. I'll show you guys where it's at. All right, so I got the camera facing me, but you can see the Phillips right there. So we're gonna get that Phillips out and then pop this off and switch the switch out real quick. I should release the panel now. Yep, there we go. We gotta unplug it right here. Bam, just like so, and then you can pull the panel up. Now that we got the panel up, we're gonna carefully pry these buttons off, and then we're gonna go over to the back side, and we got these safety tabs that go across the top. We're gonna slowly release those tabs and pop the sensor out, but we gotta get these buttons off first, so let's do that. Both buttons are popped off. You can see they just slide over and click into place. So now that we got access to the panel, just gonna get like a little flathead. I'm gonna use my little pick tool and just pry up on these tabs as I pull forward on the switch to get the switch out. And it's the same thing across the bottom. You can see the little safety tabs that hold the switch in place. Here's the part number to the new switch. Let's go ahead and get it put in. Switch is out. Here's the old one that wasn't working. Let's go ahead and get the new one put in place. Switches are on. We got the screw down in the bottom front. We got the screw in the back right there. Let's see, can we go forward? It's going forward. Can we go backwards? It's going backwards. Can we go back? We're going back. Going forward. Going down. Coming up. Look at that. That's how you successfully do a seat switch. I want to say in a 16 to 24 Camaro. I doubt that they changed it, or 23 Camaro, 22, whatever year they stopped them. Shit, I'd have to use Google to tell me, honestly. But yeah, that's how we get it done. I'm going to go ahead, wrap up the rest of what I got to do on the car, coolant, temperature sensor, and just finish up on the exhaust down below. Appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, subscribe for more videos to come.